Hello again. In this tutorial today we're going to show you how to use Jing to create online presentations. Now Jing is actually a software you have to download, and it can be installed in either Mac or a PC, and it serves as a screen capture tool that allows you to take all the activity on your screen and voice narrate over it to create a video that is very instructional. Now I've already installed Jing on this Mac, but you can also install it on your PC, and when it's installed it creates a little yellow semi-transparent sun that kind of hangs out in the corner. The PC version you just put a dead center on top, but for some reason the Mac version will put it in the corner. It is movable though, so don't ever feel you're stuck with having your Jing in one spot, but it likes to go in the corner, so I'm going to leave it there. Now when I flip my mouse over the Jing, it gives me some options. I can go to my settings, I can go to my history, or I can capture. Now for this presentation's purposes, we're going to practice with the capture idea. Now once I click on that, Jing is going to give me grids to select what area of the screen I wish to capture. So if I go to clicking on capture, as you can see, it's now selecting where am I going to go. And I'm going to hold my mouse down. I'm going to select this website, because in this case I want to pretend I want to show my students how to use ABC. Now once I have selected it, and you can tell that what's being selected is in color, what's going to be left out of the video is black and white, I'm going to let go of my mouse, and now I have my range that I'm going to record. What you may not have noticed is down here in the bottom left corner there's been a menu that's popped up. This is a Jing menu that occurs only after you've selected the area of screen you want to record. And now I have a couple options. I can of course cancel and go back to just using my computer. I can redo my selection if I'm not happy with the size of screen I planned on recording. I can capture a video, or I can do an image, like for a website or sharing. But for online presentation purposes, I'm going to capture the video. Now once I click this, it's going to give me a countdown, tells me my microphone is on, and boom, I am recording. You can tell I'm recording because these little film strips are going up and down, and that's kind of giving me a little bit of a cue that I am currently recording. You can also see down in the corner here that I am now talking. It's capturing all that as well. It's also catching all my mouse actions. That is now 17 seconds out of 5 minutes, because the Jing videos are limited to 5 minutes because of the screencast website you're going to upload to. So if I want to show my students how to use Crossword Puzzle Maker, I could now interact with my web page like I normally would. Jing is not interfering with that, so I can walk them through it. I can tell the students, okay, now first name your puzzle, we'll call it puzzle, and so on. And meanwhile, Jing is recording every single thing I do. If I decide I want to get rid of this and I want to talk about a PowerPoint, which is completely unrelated to where I just was in ABC, I could go through the PowerPoint. I can narrate it that way by clicking on different slides. It's recording everything in this range right now. When I'm done, I'm going to hit finish. And what it will then do is it will let me preview my video. So I'll also have to do that for a few seconds here. And boom, I am recording. You can tell I'm recording because these little film strips are going up and down, and that's kind of giving me a little bit of a cue that I am currently recording. You can also see down in the corner here that I am now talking. It's capturing all that as well. It's also catching all my mouse action. Okay, so you can see it captured everything I did on the screen, and it also captured my voice. And I only did it a few seconds. Now, then my next option is I can save it to my hard drive. When you save it, though, it's not really saved, as you're going to see. It's going to save as a file format that only Jing will allow me to open. So I'll have to use a Jing software to watch it again, which may not be as user-friendly. Okay, and of course it said there's an error because I chose not to do it. Now, unfortunately, it doesn't give you more options, so you got to kind of figure out what you want to do ahead of time. So I'm just going to capture again real fast here to show you how you could share it online. So I'll talk about this Native American PowerPoint. Capture video. This is my video talking about how illness actually caused a steep decline in the population of the Native Americans once the European explorers started to settle in North America. Alright, I'm going to stop there. Now again, it gives me a chance to preview the video. I can name the video down here, so I'll say Native Americans. And now I'm going to choose to share via screencast. Okay, and up here in the right corner, it's uploading it to Screencast automatically for me, so you're never leaving. Even though Screencast is a website, you're not leaving to go to that website right now. It's simply being uploaded there, and it is almost done. It was a very short video. Longer videos, of course, will take longer. Now it says it's been sent and the link is ready to be pasted. So that's really exciting. So we want to go find it. Let's go to view it on Screencast. Now Screencast is going to sign up, and there is my video. It's already uploaded. It's on the web. It's all done from Jing. Okay, very, very neat to do that. And go watch it. Now you might be saying, well, where's the link? Well, it's right here. Okay, and I can copy that. I could paste it into an email. I could paste it on a website, and anybody that clicks on it is going to view it. You also can then create a screencast.com free account, and then you'll see all your videos you uploaded and kind of keep track of them, change them, delete them at your will. The only thing I will say is that Screencast only allots you a certain amount of viewing data. So for example, if this was a 20 gigabyte video, that'd be extremely huge, but you wouldn't be able to watch it on Screencast. It only allows, I believe, 200 megabytes of viewing a month. Check out they've changed. You can pay and get more, but you are limited. But for short 5-minute videos, you would just view among 1 or 2 classes. You should be able to do it just fine using Jing and Screencast. So that's how you use Jing to create narrated, basically narrated screen captures of your computer. So if you can put it on a computer screen, you can narrate it, turn it into video, and share all in one click with Jing.